How to post your template on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering to post your template on CapCut, yes, it's possible. However, there is a certain limitation. In order to post your template on CapCut, you must be accepted as a template creator or creator on CapCut. For being a template creator, you must receive an invitation. However, if you're not a CapCut creator, in that case, you might not be able to post your template. You can only post it on TikTok. For example, just open any of your preferred video that you want to export. Once that is done, since I'm not a creator accepted by CapCut, you can see options such as share to TikTok and other mediums to share the video, but there's no option to post a template. So in that case, you have to make sure that you receive your invitation for being the template creator. In order to do so, you must make regular contents and edit the videos. You can even apply to be a creator from your profile page. Also mentions the fact that creating videos that has the editing skills such as adding transitions or background music or applying effects or filters can increase the chances of receiving the invitation. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.